This is one of our lab classrooms that I usually teach in. And some of the stuff that we do in here is activities at these lab tables, and students do cooperative learning where they work in teams to do activities. And for our microbiology class, which was a face-to-face class where we would meet for 3 hours a week of lecture and 2 hours a week for lab, I would be doing those things face-to-face with the students. And so what I would normally do is I would just set up my laptop computer in this classroom, log into Zoom, and I would lecture on Zoom with the students. And then when we would do lab, what I would do is I would demonstrate how to do the lab, and we would work through it in a lab manual and work through it together with the students on the screen and me here. And one of the things I might do is, this is a result from a lab we did last week, and I had showed them how to inoculate different sections of this Petri dish. In this case, this was a hand washing lab where I would wash my hands, and then I'd place my 2 fingers in the section. I would wash my hands for a longer period of time, and then put my 2 fingers in the other section, and then just keep going around as I was washing. And this particular one was just washing with water, without any soap. And I would actually, if I was going to do this with the students, then I would take my camera off of here, and I could zoom right in on this Petri dish so they could see the results at home. And the students, to keep them actively engaged as well on Zoom, they were walking me through this procedure. They were guiding me, reading in the lab manual what I was supposed to do next and when I was supposed to do it. They were timing me. They will collect the data, and then we have lab reports they fill out. So those are just some of the things that we would do in microbiology. In our animal biology and ecology class, I just did a Zoom lab with those students in our Zoom classroom, room 311. And I do it down there because we have a document camera there, which I can dissect under the document camera. Last week I hauled our skeletons down there from this room, and we did a skeleton lab. The week before that, we did a sensory perception lab there where they helped me test my reflexes and helped me test my vision and hearing. And the students kind of were walking me through it and helping me with that in the classroom. We're still doing collaborative learning. We're just doing it a different way. And it's been really fun, and I think, you know, we all crave that interaction. We all crave communication. So even when we're kind of, you know, staying home and not able to come to campus, we still connect.